How do I always start my videos? A spray keeps the dry skin away. Hi Glam fam, what's up? We're here to do a work appropriate soft glam. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance contour before we get into the eyes. Today I am going in with this brush. I got it at TJ Maxx, called the Stella Studio, and this LA Colors cheap ass bronzer. Let's see if it shows. It's giving me a little something. Primer. I'm going in with the Shadow Insurance 24/7 Eye Primer by Too Faced Cosmetics. Brushes to put on primer. So that my good brushes are for blending and such and such. That's going to give us a good base for our eye. A fluffy brush that kind of looks like this. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Just gonna put that right over our crease. You see what that's doing already? Somebody's outside. It looks like the census lady. Mickey Disney limited edition, because I figured out this is a very good brush. I just want to move you guys more over here. There we go. I'm going to go into the color Real Gar right here. I'm gonna work that into the crease. See how beautifully it blends? Brush from the limited edition collection. I'm going into Red Ochre. I just want to deepen that up a little bit. Oh, this brush is good. Look at that. Oh, this brush is really good. Oh, it just picks the pigment. But also this palette is great. When I need shit to blend out perfectly, I go to my Real Techniques. It'll blend out anything. Neutral, my neighbor's looking at me. That's weird. Okay. Stop looking at me, weirdo. Some translucent powder going into the Kat Von D locket, and I'm just gonna put a small amount, tap it off, and just pat it where I laid the concealer. Favorite brush for face, and I am going to do what I always do. In this Morphe E36 pencil brush. Do you guys see that? And we're gonna go back into Red Ochre. Right into the crease. Now we're gonna go into Venetian Red right here and mix that a little bit with Love Letter. Back with our Real Techniques brush and go into Love Letter. And we're gonna put it pencil brush. And I'm putting it right where I laid. This is really gonna open up the eye. This is really gonna make it pop. Take a little Noir and just stick it right there. Diffuse that color out. Right here. Do it on the other side too. I'm gonna go back into Vermeer. I'm gonna hit that brow bone. Oh Lord, I can't handle it. I can't handle it. Fierce. Same Real Techniques. I'm gonna go into this color Rustic right here. Dip a little Cypress Umber Rustic back and forth. Tap out the excess, and just right here, I'm gonna deepen up the contour. You might think it looks crazy, but it won't. It just gives it a little bit more of a something something. See how that's just enough. Going with this brush, I'm gonna go into the color Rustic right there. And I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna start from right there. See what I did there? Now I'm gonna buff it in. Gonna go into that lighter color in the palette. Just to set it. Going in the Papa Don't Peach. I gotta sniff it. And I'm going right above where I laid the contour. One of my favorite blushes of all times. I like to put some over my nose. Highlighter time. It's highlighter time. With my Anastasia Undipped Glow Kit. This is a perfect glow kit for the summertime. I'm going into the color Summer. And I am going to go right here. I like my finger better. And I'm going to mix it with a little moonstone. There we go, mama. Perfect. I'm going to be doing a nude lip today so I don't get completely fired from my job. I just did that in a video though. This looks good. This looks good. I like that one too. It is nighttime. And she was thirsty. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do Give Me Mocha by Wet n Wild, Liquid Catsuit. If you don't know about it, you need to know about it. I don't know if you've ever seen a wand, but it's like that. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie, I forgot how much I love this applicator. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I love you guys so much. Have a great one. Peace. I love you guys. See you in my next video.